Well, let's see now how to create a radiator pipework, heating system for residential apartment by using Python for Revit. And we'll do it just in few clicks. So now I'm gonna define the floor level, the ceiling level, and how high from the ceiling level I want the pipe to be. Let's say 8 in this case. I'm going to place now the radiator. I want one here, one here, one in the corridor, and one in this bedroom. This one will create the first part of the pipework, and the rest of the pipework will be created in the next one. The next phase will clean the useless pipework. So this is how it looks like in plan. Let's go and see how it looks like in a 3D view. If I tab, I will see that everything is well connected and the flow is 80 from level 2 as I defined at the beginning of the program, and there is a default to the return pipework is 50 more to avoid clashes. The same way I added the radiator, in the same way can be added a gas boiler, a heat pump, a cylinder, whatever is the generator, so that the pipework and the system can be completed.